Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and this week we're going to be teaching you how to prepare Gordon Ramsay's scrambled eggs. And for our recipe today, we're going to be using butter, eggs, green onions, olive oil, bread, salt and black pepper. And the first thing we are doing right now is cutting just cutting our green onions. Cut those, just dice them into little pieces. And once you're done with that, the next thing we want to do is we want to put our pan on the fire, strictly on medium heat. Add few drops of olive oil. Then this is where we crack our eggs and put our eggs on the fire. Remember, medium heat, we don't want it too hot. So once you're done with that, we're gonna have about 2 scoops of butter. Mix everything up together. While it's on fire, we're just gonna mix everything up together, just gradually. And in between, while that is going on, we want to add a pinch of salt, which I just did there. And apart from a pinch of salt, I did add a pinch of black pepper also. Once you're done with that, mix everything up together. And you remember, we don't want them we don't want them to don't forget, medium heat, strictly medium heat. So once you're done with our parts, what we want to do is we want to take our eggs and literally put them aside. Guys, just reminding you, if you've not subscribed to our channel, kindly hit that subscription button right there, hit that like button and share. I really appreciate your love and that great love you're showing towards our channel. We so far we're doing good, and I just want to appreciate your support and all what you'll be doing towards the channel. So at this point in time, our eggs done, and what we're doing is I'm literally putting it into a different bowl. Once you're done with that same pan, you want to put that same pan on the fire. But while that is on the fire, we're going to cut our bread, because this is where we want to toast our bread on the pan. I did cut that, and this is it right here. Still strictly on medium heat. Leave your bread right there for about a minute or two. And once you're done with that, you see that guy is slightly brown. You don't want to make it too hot. And this is where we put our scrambled eggs on our bread. Depending on how much of eggs you want, you just put it randomly, like the way you want it to be. And once you're done putting your eggs, the next thing we did put right here is just, you see our green onions. Just dice that guy on the green onions. Just put that guy right there on our scrambled eggs. Once you're done with that, I think we're ready right here. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye.